Hello students, good morning all of you and welcome back our online class Maths 6th standard. Students, today we are going to continue our the third chapter, that is playing with the numbers. So students, in previous video already you have studied that test of divisibility by some numbers like 2, 3 and 4. Yes, but students, today we are going to discuss about that some other numbers. What are the test of divisibility by other numbers we are going to learn, like 5, 6, 8, 9 and 10. Okay, so let us discuss about that. What are the test of divisibility by, first of all, 5. Okay, so students, how we should find out that the number, whatever the number it is given, it is divisible by, exactly divisible by 5 or not. So how we should find out that, what is the rule of that? Now if a number is divisible by 5 when its unity place, that means you have seen that extremely right side of the number, that is the unity place, when that unity place digit is 5 or 0. ठीक है, जब एक नंबर का यूनिट प्लेस का डिजिट जब 0 होगा और 5 होगा, वो टोटल नंबर इज डिविजिबल बाय 5. सो लेट अस डिस्कस अबाउट दैट, हाउ इट इज. Okay, how it is divisible, and by without actual dividing we can find out that, or we can say that it is divisible by 5 or not. Test of divisible by 5. A number is divisible by 5 if the digit at its ones place is either 0 or 5. कौन सा भी 0 होगा तो भी ये भी डिविजिबल होगा, 5 होगा तो भी डिविजिबल बाय 5 होगा. सो देखो एग्जांपल हमने लिया 15. लोग का डियर स्टूडेंट्स, एक नंबर है 15, तो इसका यूनिट प्लेस में क्या है 5 है. ठीक है, 20 तो 5 होगा तो भी डिविजिबल बाय 5. 0 इधर 0, ये 5, ये 0, ऐसा नंबर रहेगा तो 0 और 5 यूनिट प्लेस में रहेगा तो वो नंबर डिविजिबल किसके साथ होगा, 5 से होगा. सपोज आई विल राइट वन एग्जांपल फ्रेंड्स. Suppose I have written, this is one number, big number I have written. So this number is divisible by 5 or not, how will say? Actually we need to divide. Okay, if we divide like that we can say, but without dividing, actual division, without doing like this, how we should find out sure this number is divisible by 5 or not? कैसे ना, हमको ये यूनिट प्लेस डिजिट को चेक करना है. ये यूनिट प्लेस डिजिट क्या है, व्हाट इज दैट यूनिट प्लेस डिजिट? The unit place digit is 0. If 0 or 5, ये 5 होगा और 0 कौन सा भी नंबर रहेगा तो ये नंबर डिविजिबल बाय 5. ठीक है, did you understand? Suppose I will write it 735. It is divisible by 5 or not? Yes. Why? Because the unit place digit is 5. इधर 0 होगा तो भी divisible by 5, 5 भी होगा तो it is divisible by 5. Suppose I will write it. This is 73,583. It is divisible by 5? No. Why? Because unit place digit is 3. So it is not 0, either not 0 nor 5. So hence it is not divisible by 5. Did you understand friends? So what is the test of divisibility by 5? Now if the unit place, a number having that its unit place digit either 0 or 5. ठीक है, याद रखो बेटे, ये टेस्ट जो डिविजिबिलिटी टेस्ट रूल है उसको बायहार्ट करना है और उसको समझो और यूटिलाइज करो. ठीक है, नेक्स्ट वी कैन गो फॉर द टेस्ट ऑफ डिविजिबल बाय 6. ए नंबर इज डिविजिबल बाय 6 इफ इट इज डिविजिबल बाय बोथ 2 and 3. देखो बेटे, हमें 6 से डिविजिबल होगा कि नहीं होगा कैसे करेंगे, हाउ वी शुड फाइंड आउट वेदर 6 is divisible or not. 6 is that is a divisible number or not. That means any number is divisible by 6 or not. किस हमको पता करना है ना. ए फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी नो दैट डिविजिबल, टेस्ट ऑफ डिविजिबल बाय 2 एंड टेस्ट ऑफ डिविजिबल बाय 3. ठीक है, तो ये दोनों नंबर डिविजिबल होगा तो बाय दैट 2 नंबर्स विच डिविजिबल होगा तो इट इज डिविजिबल बाय 6. ठीक है, कैसे होगा हम चेक करना है, पहले 2 से चेक करो. व्हाट इज द टेस्ट डिविजिबिलिटी रूल 2? ना इफ यूनिट प्लेस डिजिट 0, 2, 4 और 6 और 8 ऐसे यूनिट कौन सा डिजिट रहेगा तो वो डिविजिबल बाय 2. पहले चेक करो, ये हुआ, बाद में चेक करेंगे 3 होगा तो दोनों होगा तो हम बोलेंगे इसके 6 से डिविजिबल होगा. एग्जाम्पल लिखा देखो बेटे, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी हैव टू चेक whether it is divisible by 2 or not. Yes, because it is divisible by 2 भाई इट्स यूनिट प्लेस डिजिट क्या है 6 है। जब यूनिट प्लेस में डिजिट में 0 2 4 6 और 8 होगा तो कौन सा भी एक डिजिट होगा तो उसको बोलते हैं हमें डिविजिबल बाय 2। सो फर्स्ट है इट इज divisible by 2 since its unit place digit is क्या है 6। ठीक है its unit place digit is 6। now we can go that it is divisible by 3 or not। so first of all 1 plus 2 plus 9 plus 3 plus 6 add करना है because what is that test of divisibility test of that by 3। now if the sum of the digits is the multiple of that 3 okay जो सम करेंगे उसका एक वो नंबर जो आएगा वो मल्टीपल ऑफ 3 होगा तो उसको हम बोलते हैं क्या है डिविजिबल बाय 3 और टेस्ट ऑफ डिविजिबल बाय 3 इट इज डिविजिबल बाय 3 होगा वो नंबर। सो देखो 1 plus 2 3 3 9 12 12 3 15 15 6 21। so is the multiple of 3 hence it is divisible by 3। ओके मतलब अभी क्या हुआ it is divisible by 2 हुआ it is also divisible by 3 हुआ मतलब hence 12,936 is divisible by both 2 and 3 hence it is divisible by 6। did you understand friends? जब ये नंबर 2 से होगा और 3 से होगा कंपल्सरी इट इज डिविजिबल बाय 6। सो पहले आपको चेक करना है ये नंबर 2 से डिविजिबल हुआ कि नहीं। कौन सा में एक डिविजिबल नहीं हुआ तो it is not divisible by 6। that means one of that number if not divisible if one of that number suppose it is not divisible by 2 then it is not divisible by 6। if it is not divisible by 3 it is divisible by 2 but it is not divisible by 3। 2 से हो रहे लेकिन 3 से नहीं हो रहे तो 6 से भी नहीं होगा दोनों से होगा तो if it is divisible by 2 and 3 then it is called as a what is that it is also we can say that it is divisible by that number is divisible by 6। ठीक है did you understand? so next same like friends test of divisible by 8 में कैसा होगा। next friends whenever we are going to divide with 8 that should be it is more 3 or more than 3 digit number। okay so sorry 4 or more than 4 digit number should be okay। so whenever that digits more than 4 then we can say last unit that 3 digits last 3 digits that means hundreds tens and unit place digit that 3 digit that number is formed that number is divisible by 8 then whole number is divisible also 8। did you get confusion? okay let me clarify either ones। should any one of the number should write and that number should contain 4 digits or more than 4 digits okay। so after that forming after that getting that number 4 digits or more than 4 digit number हम क्या करना है you should check that last 3 digit number that means hundreds tens and ones place digit you should check and what is that number is forming and if that number is divisible by 8 then we can say this number is divisible by total number is divisible by 8। or another one thing if the last 3 digits if 0 then also it is divisible by 8। so look at here friends what is the definition? a number with 4 or more digits is divisible by 8 if the number formed by its last 3 digits that means this 3 that means the last 3 digits if this number is divisible by 8 then total number is divisible by 8। देखो अभी 64 is divisible by now 064 that means 64 is divisible by 8 yes 8 is 64 so total number is divisible by 8 and if the last 3 digit is 0 also it is also divisible by 8 याद रखो ठीक है। so what is the test of divisible by 8? a number जब last 3 digit a number should be contain 4 digits or more than 4 digits and the last 3 digits should be divisible by 8, or the last 3 digit should be 0, means 0 0 0. 1's place digit is 0, 10's place digit is 0, or 100 place digit is 0. Then that whole big number is divisible by 8. Now students, we can see that what is the test of divisible by 9. 9 case होता है. Students, once technically I will say that one thing. You know that divisible by 3. Same like students. What is the test divisible by of 3? The sum of the digits. Okay. Whenever you are checking the number is divisible by 3 or not, how you are saying? The sum of the digits. That means all digits you are adding. And what is that sum we are getting? If that sum is divisible by 3 or it is a multiple of 3, then we can say that number is divisible by 3. Same like students. Here also, whether it is divisible by 9 or not, what is that? The sum of the digits you have to find out. If the sum of the digits is divisible by 9, then we can say that number is divisible by 9. Let us see. A number is divisible by 9 if the sum of its digit is divisible by 9. So look at here, I have written one example. Whether 35,064 is divisible by 9 or not. कैसे करना है? देखो, फर्स्ट क्या करना है? सम करना है. सम निकालो. सम इज इक्वल टू 3 plus 5 plus 0 plus 6 plus 4 is equal to how much? 18. So 18 is divisible by 9. It is divisible by 9. Hence 35,064 is divisible by 9. मतलब हम क्या करेंगे? ये ऐड करेंगे. 3 plus 5 plus 0 plus 6 plus 4 is equal to 18. So 18 is divisible by 9. हम easy से we can say that because 18 is divisible by 9. So sum of the digits is divisible by 9. Then the whole number, that whole part is divisible by 9. Next, test of divisible by 10. A number is divisible by 10 if the digit at its unit place is 0. ठीक है? Look at here students. Any number का last digit, unit place digit 0 होगा तो उसको divisible by 10. ठीक है students? I hope you have understand what is that divisible by 5, 6, 8, 9 and 10. How can we say that what is the number is divisible by 10? Now if its unit place digit is 0. Look at here students. 10 unit place digit क्या है? 0 है. 100 unit place digit क्या है? 0. इधर का देखो, unit place digit is 0. Hence the total number is divisible by 10. ठीक है? So next we will discuss about that. What is the test of divisible by 11 in the next upcoming video. Thank you all of you. Have a nice day.